leg workout by Coach Ikong. So, one warm-up set of 12 to 15 repetitions and two working sets of 8 repetition heavy and one back-up set of 12 to 15. Supersets with tibialis raises, so 30 to 50 repetitions yun. First compound movement is yung front squat. So, pinili ko tong compound movement na to for my quads and glutes para ma-hit yung depth. Mas upright yung upper body position or yung torso. So, pansinin nyo, focus yan talaga sa knee flexion than hinge. So, 3 sets yung front squat ko, followed by back squats. So, 3 to 4 working sets ako agad sa back squats. So, ayan. Pansinin nyo, yan. Kailangan din ma-challenge. After back squat, move tayo sa leg press. 3 sets lang ng 8 to 12 na quality heavy sets. Kasunod niyan ay leg extension of 15 to 20 repetitions. Superset with seated, weighted, calf raises, 30 repetitions. And that's it. GG.